Thank you very much for joining us. Ayansh Online Classes welcomes you to an interesting educational video. Next poem. 1, 2. 1, 2. Cows moo. How cow does the sound? Moo. Right. So 1, 2. Cows moo. 2 and moo both are rhyming words here. 3, 4. Lions roar. How does lion sound? Roar. Right. 4 and roar both are rhyming words here. 5, 6. The clock ticks. How the clock sounds? It goes tick, 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 tick. Second by second it goes further by making noise tick, 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 tick. So the clock ticks. 5, 6. Clock ticks. 6 and ticks both are rhyming words here. 7, 8. It's getting late. It's getting late means it's already late. It's being late. देर हो रही है. So here 8 and late both are rhyming words. Next 9, 10. Lock up the den. Lock up the den इसका मतलब है close the room. The actual meaning of den is cave, gufa. But here we are considering the meaning as a room. So lock up the room. So let's close the room. Okay. So 10 and den both are rhyming words here. So we are just discussing some rhyming words and you are going to tell me rhyming words into comment box. So you tell your rhyming words. I am going to discuss some rhyming words here. Cat, bat, both are rhyming words. Or next, make, shake, cake. These are rhyming words. So you got the rhyming words. Okay. So let me know rhyming words into comment box. Next. Hey children, we have done with this poem and exercise. We will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. See you soon. Take care.